आज का वीडियो आपको जानकारी देगा डबल फर्टिलाइजेशन के बारे में। अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगता है तो उसको लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो या फिर उसको शेयर करो। Double fertilization is a complex process of fertilization which mainly occurs in flowering plants, that means angiosperm. Double fertilization was discovered by Navasin in liliaceous plant like Lilium and Fritillaria. It is a unique process in angiosperm. It is called double fertilization because during the process both the male gametes are utilized. One male gamete fuses with egg to form zygote and process is called syngamy. Second male gamete fuses with secondary nucleus to form PEN, that means primary endosperm nucleus, and process is called triple fusion. So, double fertilization include two important processes, that is syngamy and triple fusion. Before fertilization, there should be a pollination. When there is a pollination, pollen grains are deposited on the surface of stigma. हमको पता है जब pollination होता है तो pollen grain stigma के ऊपर deposit होते हैं. And if they are compatible, then only there is germination of pollen grain. दोनों अगर compatible है stigma और pollen grain तो ही germination शुरू होता है. So when pollen grain deposited on the surface of stigma, stigma secrete a sugary substance, and because of that germination of pollen grain begins. When pollen grain germinate, it develop a pollen tube. Here you may see formation of pollen tube is there, and in that pollen tube two male gametes are there. So after only germination, pollen grain forms a pollen tube. That pollen tube penetrates the stigma, style and ovary. It penetrates stigma, style and ovary, and then it enters into the ovule. This growth of pollen tube is guided by the chemicals secreted by synergids. So this pollen tube now begin to enter inside the ovule. How entry of pollen tube takes place inside the ovule? Here you may see there are three ways by means of which this pollen tube enter inside the ovule, and accordingly it is called porogamy, chalazogamy and mesogamy. When pollen tube enter inside the ovule through micropyle, and usually pollen tube enter ovule through micropyle. So entry of pollen tube into the ovule through micropyle is called porogamy. We know micropyle is a small opening present at the apex of ovule. So usually pollen tube enter in the ovule through micropyle, which is called porogamy. Sometimes entry of pollen tube in the ovule takes place from its base, and base is called as chalaza. So when pollen tube enter through the base or through chalaza, it is called chalazogamy. But when entry of pollen tube in the ovule through integument, integuments are protective coverings which form a covering around the nucellus. So when entry of pollen tube takes place through the integument, it is called as mesogamy. Finally, it penetrates the ovule and then its entry takes place through the micropylar end. यहाँ पर देखो डायरेक्टली माइक्रोपाइल से एंट्री हो रही है, यहाँ पर शैलाज ऐसे आ रही है लेकिन फाइनली एंट्री माइक्रोपाइल से ही है, यहाँ पर भी इंटीग्यूमेंट से एंटर हो रही है पोलन ट्यूब, लेकिन फाइनली उसकी जो एंट्री है इट इज फ्रॉम द माइक्रोपाइल. Pollen tube carrying two non-motile male gametes penetrate in one of the synergids. This is the embryo sac, and we know what is the position of egg apparatus in the embryo sac. Egg center में होता है और उसके दोनों साइड में synergids होते हैं. अब जब पोलन ट्यूब एम्ब्रियो सैक के अंदर एंट्री करती है, वो दोनों में से एक synergid से एंट्री करती है. So here pollen tube carrying two non-motile male gametes penetrate in one of the synergid. Synergid में जाने के बाद ये जो pollen tube है it absorb watery content of synergid. Synergid में से watery content ये pollen tube absorb करती है. Because of that pollen tube swell and rupture. यहाँ पर pollen tube rupture हो जाती है. उसके साथ में वो सिनर्जिड भी बर्स्ट हो जाता है. एंड आफ्टर रप्चर ऑफ अ पोलन ट्यूब, रिलीज ऑफ मेल गमेट हियर इन द एम्ब्रियो सैक. पोलन ट्यूब ब्रेक हो जाने के बाद जो नॉन मोटाइल मेल गमेट्स है ये एम्ब्रियो सैक के अंदर रिलीज हो जाते हैं. अब हमको यहाँ पता है कि मेल गमेट जो है वो नॉन मोटाइल है, उनको फीमेल गमेट तक लाने का काम पोलन ट्यूब करती है. That means here pollen tube functions as a vehicle. So non-motile male gametes are carried toward the female gamete or egg by means of a hollow pollen tube. ये pollen tube जो है वो hollow होती है और ये hollow pollen tube male gamete को लाती है female gamete तक. That means this pollen tube functions as a vehicle और ये जो प्रोसेस होती है उसको बोला जाता है साइफोनोगैमी. सो साइफोनोगैमी मीन्स नॉन मोटाइल मेल गमेट्स आर कैरीड टूवर्ड्स द फीमेल गमेट बाय मीन्स ऑफ हॉलो पोलन ट्यूब. यू हैव टू रिमेंबर पोरोगैमी, मीजोगैमी, शैलोजोगैमी एंड साइफोनोगैमी. So when two male gametes are released in the embryo sac, how double fertilization takes place. Male gametes, female gametes always haploid. So out of two haploid male gamete, one fuses with egg. ये egg है सबसे बड़ी सेल एम्ब्रियो सैक की. तो जो दो मेल गमेट होते हैं उनमें का एक मेल गमेट यहाँ पर एग या फीमेल गमेट के साथ में फ्यूज हो जाता है. एंड देयर इज अ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ डिप्लॉयड प्रोडक्ट विच इज कॉल्ड zygote. So out of two male gamete, one fuses with haploid female gamete or egg to form diploid zygote. This is a first fertilization and it is called syngamy. So fusion of male gamete with female gamete is called first fertilization और syngamy. अब दूसरा जो मेल गमेट है, सेकंड मेल गमेट फ्यूजेस विद डिप्लॉयड सेकेंडरी न्यूक्लियस. हमको पता है प्रायर टू फर्टिलाइजेशन टू पोलर्स आर फ्यूज्ड एंड फॉर्म सेकेंडरी न्यूक्लियस. सो सेकेंडरी न्यूक्लियस इज डिप्लॉयड इन नेचर. तो दूसरा जो मेल गमेट है वो फ्यूज हो जाता है सेकेंडरी न्यूक्लियस के साथ में. आफ्टर दिस फ्यूजन a triploid product is formed which is a primary endosperm nucleus. So primary endosperm nucleus is always triploid in nature and the process is called triple fusion. That means during double fertilization both the male gametes are participate and therefore it is called double fertilization. Here syngamy is a type of generative fertilization whereas triple fusion is a type of vegetative fertilization. This double fertilization is a unique feature of angiosperm, and it ensures that the parent plant invests a seed with the food store only if the egg is fertilized. The diploid zygote develops into an embryo which consequently develops into a new plant. The triploid primary endosperm nucleus develops into nutritive endosperm tissue. It restores the diploid condition by fusion of haploid male gamete with haploid female gamete, and the process, as we know, is called syngamy. After double fertilization, some changes are there which occur specially in primary endosperm nucleus and in zygote, which are called post-fertilization changes. Product of syngamy is zygote. That zygote start to develop into embryo, and product of triple fusion, that is primary endosperm nucleus, that start to develop into a endosperm, because endosperm is a nutritive tissue is required to provide nourishment to the developing embryo.